Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, the approach don't change because of time. I don't already do all the necessary code sim. I explain line after line, let one understand the code sim. First, we get three interfaces here. We get the branch, we are the model, meaning we get the database. Then the controller, we get the functions and the save, update, delete. Now in the interact with the server. Then the view where na the browser end. When I talk about browser, now yeah, see why I don't design this form. Good. So now yeah, the view there. Now I do all the design them. Now we explain them one after the other, then we'll do the testing. We see. So they start with the view, first video, second video, third video of this area. Remember, so we don't put this up to from video 1 to video 13. Don't forget for hit the like button. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, for subscribe. Watch the first this video. Then we continue. Quick one. All what you see now this code, they interact with the database. Meaning for narrow the whole model, tell us we only want for C branch. So this whole interface for branch. This system.data.entity will invoke. We use in namespace. Yeah, now for let we able do all with database, whether one for saving the data, pulling and data, do data manipulation. This will help we. Also, in support of this one, this is now an instance of the actual model. Meaning the model we get all the tables as sometimes maybe not to one table, one for deal with. One for deal with chiefdom, one for deal with customer, one for deal with all the tables in. So with this one, it able get all the tables in. So now we just invoke like an maybe in the long run for user. So we can this is the title as soon know. What do you mean by title? Come to the browser what is the up here? So you can get your name. What you think say okay, when a branch we put a branch. They will not only stop. This other code will put here. Good. This in the command from the this one in the command from the controller. We define a from the controller now. We say when you don't hit the button save, if everything don't go through, tell we say the record don't successfully save. This view bag message, how they can at the browser let the people see now in will deal with because now a server code make we put anytime you see we put this at they get for deal with the server. So this is a server end. We declare a variable. This variable can be string or it's just a var. Now left a string. From there, you take all this, but you ask a question. If somebody not click nothing, it is as empty. Not just click the browser, then the browser give you successfully save. You go feel like cookies. We say if nothing no day, no events not happen, left a blank. Else it means something don't happen, then count for we now in result. The way don't count the result, follow we will see and find now the interface. You use the text. This in the able make a wrap code for the able come as HTML. Else if we don't just say dot get HTML now yeah. So we don't want to go into that extent. We want like in the form of a label. They will get a color, say like as red. They will take this guy now, this variable. We don't take all which we will take from the server. We put the at and close them to label. But this key exists all together. We put it inside division, inside a container. This div now enclosing this code done. Then we put a horizontal line for divider with this other code. This one I will not explain further. This one all what this code they do, three major things here. One, it make sure that now the initial point of your successful one for save na the database or for retrieve na the database or anything you want for do na the database. Now make we use the HTML.begin form, meaning take from the browser end or use the browser resources, then interface with within. This na the method or the action where the na the database will function we don't declare. This na the controller. He say inside the controller, how they go inside the controller, method they do then call save. What he in they do now for post and for send on the database. Maybe we go for do file upload, other things for manipulate now the database, make we give the syntax. Now yeah. After then we can design form of tools and now we forms and now detail. Quick one, if you take a look at this one, this design, I add some things in there, we make this form look good and fine. Now yeah. What you add this so far, this good box, now two good box, this one here, but in a line again, we ask this again a right count. But I'll take this one, put it inside this one. See how I do them. I say first thing you need for do now. Quick. Let me just close this whole thing. I use the DevExpress library. I create the framework, the form layout, and make a setting, meaning I configure, give a name. After I don't configure, then I say can add from a group box say. And the group box, no, I'm sorry, add a group item. Then the group item now, yeah, what I do, I want for configure, I want for give color, I want for show style. The first one with the up. So the first one with the up, look at now. I tell and say, oh, let it be branch form. Let it show. If this not there, you know they will show the caption, you know they will show this one with the up. Then how it will look like in style. If I pull this guy, I say no, let it be box, it go funny. Meaning it will be like a saver. It will be like a box inside box. Now we refresh and see. So this they can write count, feel like a box inside box. It don't look somehow interesting. You don't see? We don't want let it be this way. So as a result, we say no, let it just be a line. So can I? We say no, let it be a line. So we take this option here. Then we continue. Then we tell and say let it show let be true. Now in this code. We not always stop so. We say let it in at the left. This is for let it in at the left. Then from there, if the column symbol, the field symbol, divide them into two. Make them two column, meaning yeah and yeah. So we continue. We take this same setting. Say okay now, can add for we another group. We are in another all the fields again for candy. What we do? We configure and back just like how we configure and now they take all this configuration. You don't see, so we don't need again for doing setting. Only we just need for give in width, we give in name, then the caption here. Then now we can do the fields now one after the other. We need the branch. The branch here now in this C. Just do one, you copy and paste for the other one then. We need branch ID. We know say this, what you do, you create a lambda expression, but it tie them to the model. For note and lambda expression, watch my previous videos, video 1 to video 13, it will make you understand better. So I just summarize for let you understand what I add. Then you can add to branch ID, because if I pull this guy, I say to take out for me all the fields, I need branch ID. Then copy this one exactly, you paste an here. No differences, because it able all the conditions within here, it able show in the browser. Then I say make them for me find use DevExpress library and make we use nested extension. Then inside the library, I want to see that text box. If I pull this again, it is all the tools where I want. If in a combo box, I say I need text box, it comes out for me. You don't see. So from there, after then I tell and say since now the ID make read only the person able to type anything they gear and color, then validate, make it work with invalidation. Then if any error take place now, yeah, look at show you the error. But the error show at the top of the text box. Then the width of RAM, give 100% left flop the container. So you go to take all this one now for the next one way they can declare. We don't just copy, just minimize, close this one, copy and paste. Then from there, they can just change this name to this name. Now text box back the same to the rest of the other one there, except the date. The date we add something there. What you add now this code. Now we add there. We tell and say inherit a calendar property. Then let it get some amount of navigation left and right. Let's see how it look like. If we can we make this one. See, get some amount of navigation, don't see? Left or right, this one. Now in we give now, to this line of code, now, this code we want so. But we no want, we still let be in line as well, this one. From there now, we customize the date to tell us, say, let give you dates, day, the month, the year. They will cancel the button here. These are the button. The button, in back we configure, we can tell and say, in name, na saved. Then from there, in back in with na 100%, and the text box, save button, na in show na here. Do you follow this procedure? If you not follow this one, you don't make the caption empty, then they give error, you just give unnecessary error when they call form layouts. On one let be, then make it empty, then you can reconfigure now, proper one. In this configuration here, you set them, you get a name. Now this name, if you want to change the button in the name now, we want to change this one. Save entering form. Now in this here. Then we tell them let's submit behavior, meaning for let allow for submit. If you don't put this one, then the data not able for route for going to the database. Then we get in color, that red color we see danger. If one pull I get other color, then the various one for me and this Alec. Then from there, for let is saved on the database, one thing, you know, fine. So we tell and say no, before you save on the database, prompt we first tell the user if really you want for saving records. Now in this code they talk about clients, this is a JavaScript code we invoke now, tell and say for let he ask the user if really you want for saving record in the database, you can change, customize your language what you want for right here. After that, use route value for let you take you now the controller. Go now the controller now instruction, go look for a function where they call save. What is the function say? Execute for we. Now in don't know so we will go to the next video where now the controller good. Where you don't all for let you able become successful after you don't know, meaning this layout now in only enough, I'm sorry, this HTML, not this layout, sorry, this one here, in only enough, I cannot do all this code this way. I open it this way, just close and this way. This if I refresh and they give me error, they give me big time error because the browns are not able to see. Let me save them first. You're not able to see exactly what you don't do because you're not able to read other language except HTML language is able to read. So therefore, you see what he tell you. So now he puts this, he close all this HTML. He tell and now say .html. They save. You see. So if you can now, you can refresh. They can answer a normal situation. So for that, we can explain the save button now. Don't forget for you to like button. See, watch the save function now to the next video.